It would be very helpful if you first try to solve the problem yourself before watching this video.
Question number 19. The question is to find the following limit. We have a limit as x approaches 3, x squared minus x minus 6 over x squared minus 3x. So first thing we want to do is we want to substitute 3 for x. Okay, so numerator we have 3 squared minus 3 minus 6. That's 9 minus 3 minus 6 is equal to 0, right? Denominator 3 squared minus 3 times 3, that's also 9 minus 9, which is equal to 0. So if both the numerator and denominator is equal to 0, we want to simplify each numerator and denominator. So numerator, limit as x approaches 3, our numerator is, if we factor that, that's x minus 3, x plus 2, right? Denominator, x squared minus 3x, so we can factor out x minus 3. And x minus 3, these two factors cancels out, right? So that is equal to limit as x approaches 3. We have x plus 2 over x. Now substitute 3 for x. So that's going to be 3 plus 2 over 3, which is equal to 5 over 3.